Have you ever dreamed of a financial system that's accessible for all? Imagine walking up to an ATM and instead of mere cash, it dispenses digital currency. Sounds futuristic, right? This is the exciting promise of Pi Network's new vision. Pi Network is pioneering a decentralized infrastructure. It allows anyone anywhere to access financial services. With this vision, you gain control over your money and financial future. Let's break down how this revolutionary ATM concept works. First, the Pi network enables seamless digital transactions. This means you can send and receive Pi currency easily. The system is built on trust and decentralization, allowing users to exchange value instantly. Next, integrating ATMs into this network is vital. Imagine walking to a nearby ATM, verifying your identity, and withdrawing Pi currency directly into your wallet. This helps bridge the gap between digital and traditional currencies. To ensure widespread adoption, ATMs will be strategically placed. This means more people can access digital currency within their local communities. No more waiting for financial services to reach you. Additionally, these ATMs will support local currencies. Users can convert their Pi currency into local currency when needed. This flexibility encourages more individuals to participate in the Pi network without fear. Let's consider a scenario. Maria is a local entrepreneur. She earns Pi currency from her business. By using a Pi network ATM, she can convert her earnings into cash instantly. This empowers Maria to keep her business thriving while enjoying financial flexibility. In summary, the Pi network's ATM vision will redefine financial access. It will enable users to convert digital currency into cash easily. This decentralized infrastructure promotes financial independence for everyone. Are you excited about this transformation in financial services? Don't miss out on the future of finance. Join the Pi network today and be part of this financial revolution. Share this video, subscribe for updates, and let's embrace a brighter financial future together.